Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Xiaomi Redmi 10. Firstly, go into Play Store, so click on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and finally allow in the pop-up. Then you need to choose Send on this Xiaomi device and Receive on Redmi 10. Now click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one, choose Send and click Got it. Over here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Redmi 10. Then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!